Ho, ho, ho.
Hi, and welcome to the Claus Club.
Hi, guess what? I've got something so fun today. I can't wait to show you.
So today, Mrs. Claus has went out and found some presents that we're trying to figure out whether we want to put it in my pack for Christmas Eve. And so what we're doing is she's showing me some of the things that she has, and if I like it, then what we'll do is we'll let the elves play with it for a little bit, and then if the elves approve it, then it goes in the bag.
So it has to be elf approved.
Has to be Santa, Mrs. Santa approved, and elf approved before it gets in underneath your tree.
Well, this one is already Mrs. Claus approved. I have to tell you, I really like this because you know what? It's got my husband on the box and Santa in the box.
So what all does it come with? What do you got here?
So we have a couple of reindeer. We have Santa and
what is it? What's it called?
Oh, it's called a Playmobil, guys. Can you see that? Playmobil.
Tell them what it's called.
Santa's sleigh. So in Santa's sleigh Playmobil, look at that. Isn't that cool? We've got Santa, we've got a baby doll, we've got a Santa pack. Oh, we've got a couple reindeer. Those are books. And we've got even a present. Yeah.
Oh, there's a present?
Yeah, there's a present there.
What's that?
That is a Santa's pack.
Oh, it's got a Santa's bag.
Santa's
I gotta
bag.
have my Santa bag to put my toys in. Okay.
And then we have a sleigh.
Is there any toys to put in the bag?
Well, the baby doll. Oh, and look, there's even a lantern so that you can like see where you're going.
Because you never know when you need to go out sleighing at night.
Yeah, that's right. So,
all right, let's see. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Stop.
You ready? Okay, guys.
All right, what do we got here?
Okay, I'm gonna set that there. Woohoo!
Let me see here.
What do you think this is, guys? What do you think? A present. Doesn't quite look.
Check it out.
Like a present.
Oh, nice. Look,
what?
A dog. Roof, roof.
Santa.
Roof.
That's reindeer.
Oh.
You should
That's
be
a reindeer.
Roof, roof, roof. It looks just like Rudolph.
Whatever.
Well, no, maybe more like
Randolph. Check this out. It's me.
It is you.
Check it out.
Aww.
I got a hat. Oh, check it out.
Oh, I
got a hat. Oh, check it out. He's got a hat that sometimes.
Oh, how cute.
I can wear it too.
You're going to lose that, you know. You lost it, didn't you?
Well, I tell you what. I'll put this hat on Santa. How's that?
Hey,
that works well. Maybe a little bit big. Oh, well.
Okay, so we've got.
So there is a Santa's hat around here somewhere.
But isn't there supposed to be 2 reindeer? Is there another reindeer in the bag?
Where's the bag? Yes.
No, my bag has.
Oh, no, but there's this kitty cat. Meow.
Meow. No, meow, it's not. Okay, so we have one. You know, I thought these were supposed to move.
It's a rain cat.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, look.
Check this out.
Moves. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that.
This is the bottom to the sleigh. And I think this goes on the reindeers. Check this out. Okay. So these are like the reindeer.
The harness?
Harness, okay.
Yeah.
Reindeer harness. Probably goes like this.
Yeah, that's the way it looks.
Kind of.
You know, you put these on all the time. You think that you would know what you're doing.
The ones I put on are plastic, and I'm not the one who does it. The elves are the ones who do it.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're right. Okay, you know what? If
all
check
else
it out.
Fails,
here's
the lantern. So this is pretty cool.
I know.
You know, Miss Santa.
Yeah.
I'm having to say, I think you scored really well on this one. I like it. I think that this is ready for elf approval. Why don't we let the elves play with it? They can put it together.
Okay.
And we'll see what they say. Shall we?
Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. But I do want to open this bag though. Hang on here.
Oh, there's more?
Oh yeah. I do want to open this up and see.
That's the sleigh that goes on top of here.
Oh, look at all this
So check this
stuff.
out. It has like this present.
Yeah, you just have
fold it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely going to the elves.
Yeah.
This is nice.
And look here.
Check that out. Just folds into
A baby doll.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Is that not adorable, guys?
That is so cute.
Yeah, and I guess the baby doll must just go into the little pack like this. Yeah, something like that. And then these are books. Kind of hard to tell. Can you see those little itty bitty tiny books? And then I bet you there is some.
Check this out.
Stickers somewhere.
There's a present.
Yeah. Do you have the stickers in your bag? Where's the stickers?
No stickers. They're around here somewhere. Okay, cool.
All right.
All right. So yes, I think it's definitely worth checking out. We'll see what the elves say, but I think they're going to like it.
Look at here. This is the lantern. Look here. This is the lantern.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas. Yeah!
Look there, there's the lantern.
High five! High five!
Hi, Santa. High five. I like this. I think this is awesome.
Yeah, this is cool. Okay, cool. So we'll
What
let
do
the
you guys
elves.
think?
What do you guys think? Do you think you'd like to have something like this? Why don't you put it in the comments below?
You know what? I think you need to tell me if this is your favorite one that you've seen, or is there another Playmobil that you have or that you've seen that you would like for us to review? Or maybe it's something you have at your house and you want to share with us, and maybe send us a little note that says, hey, I don't know, what kind of Playmobil could they have? Star Wars.
Why don't you go ahead and put it in the comments
Maybe.
below?
I don't know.
Thanks a lot for coming by. We really appreciate it.
You have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share this video with your friends.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ho, ho, ho.